At Väderstad, we understand the shared responsibility for safety within the agriculture industry. From manufacturing to distribution and finally use in the field, we all play a role. That shared responsibility helps protect our employees, dealers, growers, and families in the communities in which we operate. We work hard to mitigate risk, from both inside our facility and outside in the field. We continue to improve our safety guidelines, equipment documentation, and training programs to ensure the safe handling of the equipment we produce. Together, we all have a responsibility to protect our communities. First responders understand this responsibility more than anyone. Accidents are real. They happen. They affect real people, in real situations. It is the first responders that are there when we need them most. We are proud to show our support to the people who rise to these occasions, to the people whose bravery and dedication to serving others is inspiring. They have been called heroes, but they are more than that. They are our mothers, fathers, brothers, sisters, friends, and neighbors. They work hard to bring help and hope to those who need it most. Every day, STARS takes care of some of the most critical patients in Western Canada, and for more than 35 years, their success has been grounded in community partnerships and donations. We are extremely proud to be among the STARS allies. On behalf of Väderstad, our employees, and our customers, we salute STARS and their crew. Thank you for all that you do, and for all that you are.